हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। हम लोग सीबीएसई क्लास 10th में सरफेस एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ सॉलिड्स की स्टडी कर रहे हैं। इन आवर प्रीवियस वीडियो वी लर्न अबाउट द सॉलिड शेप्स लाइक क्यूबॉइड, क्यूब, सिलेंडर, कोन, spheres and hemispheres. We learned about the formulae used to find the volume and surface area for these solids. Now, in this video, we'll learn to solve the formulae based on these solid shapes. First question is two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. ओके क्या करना है इसमें? टू क्यूब्स को एक साथ ज्वाइन करना है। जब टू क्यूब्स को आप एक साथ ज्वाइन करोगे, मान लो ये एक क्यूब है, अब इसमें एक और क्यूब आपने ज्वाइन किया, तो क्या हुआ, इसमें जो लेंथ थी वो लेंथ हो जाएगी डबल, लेकिन breadth will remain the same and height also will remain the same. So when you join two cubes together end to end, then the resulting cuboid will have the length the double of the edge of cube, breadth equal to the edge of cube and height equal to the edge of cube. So first of all we should know what is the edge of cube. Here edge of cube is not given, but the volume of each cube is given. With the help of the volume of cube, we can find the edge of each cube. Say volume of each cube is 64 centimeter cube. So each edge of cube formula is cube root of volume. No, cube root of volume. So cube root of 64. To find the cube root of 64, we find its prime factors, and these prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 again 2. No, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 2 64. To find the cube root, we take one number outside out of a triplet. So here 2 and 2 is outside, so 2 into 2, this 4 centimeter. This is each edge of cube. Now for the resulting cuboid, I have told you length will be double of S, 4 plus 4, because two cubes are joined end to end. Breadth is equal to S of cube and height is also S of cube. We have to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Surface area of cuboid formula we have twice LB plus BH plus HL. So twice LB means L into B, length is 8, breadth is 4, 8 into 4, B into H, breadth is 4, height is 4, H into L, H is 4 and length is 8. 8 into 4, 32, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 8, 32. 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 2 10, carry over 1, 3 plus 1 4, plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 2 into 80, that is 160. ये एरिया है, एरिया स्क्वायर यूनिट में होता है, ऑल द यूनिट्स आर इन सेंटीमीटर, सो दिस एरिया इज इन सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. So area, surface area of this cuboid is 160 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have one more question. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग क्या है? एक वेसल है, वो हॉलो हेमिस्फीयर की फॉर्म की है, माउंटेड बाय ए हॉलो सिलेंडर, मीन्स उस हेमिस्फीयर के ऊपर एक हॉलो सिलेंडर लगा है. कैसे? देखिए, ये रहा आपका सिलेंडर, ओके, और ये सिलेंडर किसके ऊपर है? ये सिलेंडर है इस हेमिस्फीयर के ऊपर, है ना. सी माउंटेड बाय ए होलो सिलेंडर, होलो हेमिस्फीयर के ऊपर होलो सिलेंडर. माउंटेड बाय होता है तो बाई के बाद वाला जो है वो ऊपर होता है, ठीक है. अगर यह होता माउंटेड ऑन, तो इस ऑन के बाद वाला जो होता है वो नीचे होता है. यानी क्वेश्चन में क्या है? हेमिस्फीयर, हेमिस्फीयर के ऊपर एक सिलेंडर. द डायमीटर ऑफ द हेमिस्फीयर इज 14. इस वेसल में सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट का डायमीटर और हेमिस्फेरिकल पार्ट का डायमीटर, दोनों का डायमीटर सेम है, तो दोनों की रेडियस भी सेम होगी. तो रेडियस कितनी हो गई? रेडियस होती है डायमीटर अपॉन 2. डायमीटर इज 14, so the radius is 14 upon 2, 7. Total height of the vessel is 13. टोटल हाइट कहाँ से कहाँ तक? टोटल हाइट हुई आपकी यहाँ से और ये यहाँ तक, ठीक है. टोटल हाइट इज 13. ठीक है, आपको फाइंड करना है इनर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द वेसल. When you find inner surface area of the vessel, then this involves two things: inner curved surface area of the cylindrical part and inner curved surface area of the hemispherical part. And we know that curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. So we need R and H of cylindrical part. So radius is 7, this radius is 7, this is also the radius of hemisphere, this is also 7, so this is also 7, means this part is 7, no, 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, so height of cylindrical part is 6, radius for both is 7. Now we find inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of the vessel. Inner surface area of the vessel is curved surface area of cylindrical part plus curved surface area of hemispherical part. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH. Curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. 2 pi R and 2 pi R is common. From the first term 2 by r is common, so h is left. From the second term 2 is common, pi is common. From r square r is common, so r is left. Now put the values. 2 into the value of pi 22 upon 7. Radius r is how much? 7. Height of cylinder how much? 6. Radius is 7. This 7 and 7 cancelled. 2 into 22. 6 plus 7 is 13. 2 into 22, 44. No? Into 13. 13 for just 52. 13 for 52 plus 5, 57. 572. Area, surface area. Area is in square unit. We have the units centimeter and centimeter. So the area will come in centimeter square. Okay, so that's all for this video. We'll continue this topic in our next video also. We'll solve some more problems based on the topic. Okay, thank you.